Good morning, you guys. How's it going? I am a lot more lively today. I think I must have slept really well. I have the boobs here because he thinks I have food for him, but I don't. I just have my coffee that Rob brought me. And I'm just browsing through YouTube, looking at videos to watch and stuff. Ooh. Nice. My videos are getting a lot more views, which is awesome. It's really cool. See how many subscribers I have now. See if it will show me or not. Ooh, I have 1,025 subscribers, you guys. It's pretty sweet. I really need to get my hair washed. Maybe I'll call the salon to see if they're busy. If they're not, maybe I'll get my hair done. I need to get it washed. And I need to film some videos for you guys. I've been doing a lot of vlogging, but I need to do a couple like sit-down videos. And yeah. What's up? He's like, nothing. What are you doing? But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. This is probably really hot. Oh, and I don't think I showed you guys my nails. They're like chromatics. They're like a baby pink with like this iridescent like gold chrome. They're really pretty. I had my friend Selena do them. Dink around a little bit more and I will guys get back to you. Oh, and Super Bowl is today too in my home, or in my state of Minnesota. So oh my gosh, state. My teeth are getting wow. So that's gonna be exciting. So we might watch that for a little bit. Of course, my team didn't get in, but whatever. Vikings actually, I thought, did pretty well this year. So yeah, but I'm gonna stop rambling and I will talk to you guys later. Alright, you guys, so I am skincared up, and I bought this like 2 days ago. It's supposed to be a dashboard holder for your or for like your phone or your camera, so I'm hoping it fits this. It says that it will, because it's like adjustable. But I got it for like $5 at the Five Below store in the mall. So I want to set it up today and see if it does anything. So let's open this and figure out what it does. Alright, so I got it. So this releases the suction cup. So well, obviously it's not going to work on here, but alright, I guess that makes sense. Yeah, I ain't going nowhere. And this pops it off. So I'm on the computer printing off some of my Poshmark sales, which I think I've been doing actually pretty well. So sold another item. Actually sold something to a guy, which whatever. It's fine. So are you helping me? Thank you. So Poshmark stuff. So I'm actually really liking Poshmark. I didn't know if I would like it that much because they do take a percentage of your sales, but it's really not that much. And I think I've made almost like 50 bucks now off Poshmark, so that's pretty good. And I'm putting stuff on there that like I wouldn't give to like Goodwill. Like if it's something that I would give to Goodwill, then I'll just give it to Goodwill. But there's certain things that we all have in our closets that we spend a little pretty penny on, and we need to let it go. And if I can make some money off it, I will. So yeah. So I'm just gonna put all my Poshmark stuff together. So this is what I sold. It's just a hoodie that like I never wore, and it's in awesome, like it's in like perfect condition, you know. But since I never wore it, I don't want to give it to Goodwill. So online, and I schedule a pickup because post office can be a hot mess, and you guys, like, that's not fun. So I'd rather just have the post office come pick it up, and it's free, and I've never had any issues with it. So yeah, so this box is done. All right, so just made some lunch, made bologna sandwiches, and then these new chips that we ended up getting at Costco. It was a big bag. I thought they were healthier because they're veggie chips, but they're like just as much fat because I think they're fried. I don't think they're baked. And then I just have a Gatorade. So that's my lunch. Now I'm just gonna do a couple things on my computer. And I forgot that it's Super Bowl. Well, I know it's the Super Bowl today, but because it's there's a checkpoint at the Mall of America to get into the stadium, and I forgot about that. So I don't know if I want to go to the mall now and get my hair done. So I might just suck it up and then just go to like a hair place around here and just get a blowout. So we'll see what happens, but we're gonna eat and I will be back. So good. Hi, Leo.